Chaldean numerology is a system that is often misunderstood. The Chaldean Empire was located near the Persian Gulf, which would presently be near Kuwait and southern Iraq. The Chaldeans became well known for their knowledge of the stars and also for their practice of magic. If you'll like this video, please give it thumbs up. Subscribe. And if you're interested in getting free personalized numerology report, please check the link in video description below. Chaldean numerology was based on vibrations which were assigned the numbers 1 through 9. The number 9 was considered to be holy by the Chaldeans, and was never used in a standard numerology chart. The number 9 was used in the event that the sum of the letters or vibrations in a name added together to form the sum of 9. In the Chaldean system of numerology, an individual's name will be split into two areas, known as the inner self and the outer self. Single digits were used in order to represent the inner, and double digits were used to indicate the outer self. Pythagoras, who is considered by many to be the father of numerology, actually learned quite a bit of information from the Chaldeans. As the Chaldean system is one of the oldest forms of numerology in existence, in many ways, the Chaldean system of numerology is much more spiritual than other forms of numerology. This is why it is referred to as mystical numerology by many people rather than Chaldean numerology. Although the Chaldean system is not as popular today as other systems, it is still largely considered by many to be more accurate than other systems. Unlike the Kabbalah and Pythagorean systems, which are based on the numbers 1 through 9, the Chaldean system is focused on the numbers 1 through 8. Another critical difference is the fact that in the Chaldean system the numerical values are based on vibrations, instead of where a letter happens to fall within the alphabet. It should be understood that the Chaldean system of numerology is not as easy to master as other systems, such as the Kabbalah and Pythagorean systems. This could be one reason why the Chaldean system has not been as popular as other systems. Another difference between the Chaldean system and other systems is that while the Chaldean system does take into account the numerical value of a name, the interpretations are typically based on the name by which an individual is most frequently known by rather than their full birth name. As a result, nicknames and even married names can be used in this system. In the Chaldean system, the single-digit number is what the person appears to the rest of the world, while the double number represents hidden influences that may play a role in that person's life as well as their future. The second most important factor in Chaldean numerology is the birth date. In this system, the birth number is based upon the day of the month on which the individual was born. For example, if a person was born on January 27th, then their number would be 27. The birth number is actually extremely important in Chaldean numerology because it is constant, unlike a person's name. While a name could potentially change through marriage or a nickname, the date on which you were born will never change. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If yes, please give it a like. And don't forget to get your personalized numerology report today by following a link in video description below.